The three most important jobs of a real estate agent is what we're going to talk about today. So number one, a realtor's job is to guide you through the process of buying and selling homes. So it's likely that you haven't bought or sold a home, recently, and so it's not something that you really know about. So a good realtor is just going to give you the step-by-step of what to expect, and all along the way, give you guidance and suggestions just to make the process so much easier for you. The second job of a realtor is to really understand all the paperwork, and more importantly, to help you understand the paperwork, because you're going to be signing either listing paperwork or a contract. And once again, it's not something you do every day. So it is my job as your realtor to walk you through, answer your questions, make sure that all that real estate lingo is understandable for you, and to really simplify that process. The third job of a real estate agent, I would say, is the most important by far. My job is really to lower the stress level for you, because it is hard buying a house. You're spending a lot of money. It's a big decision. And it's my job to just take away the bumps and the hiccups and any surprises. If you're like me, you do not like surprises. Not that kind anyway. My job is to smooth the transaction and just make it a pleasant experience for you, because after all, it's exciting when you're buying a new house. So these are just three things that are part of the job description of a real estate agent. The list goes on and on and on. My name is Jeannie Shea. I'm a local Hoover realtor. Call me, text me. I would love to talk real estate with you.